What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that bell for notifications, subscribe to the channel, and give us a like if you see value in this video. It don't look like my webcam is working, but we'll make it through this. All right, this is day number 15, and what we're doing is we're promoting a company called Home Business Academy. And ding, 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 we got another sale. Day number 15. This is day 15. Looks like the webcam just come up. All right, so we got a sale today, Friday, August 5th. So in 15 days, we've done about $80 in commissions, and this is recurring commissions. This is a home business academy. It's $25 all in one home business that you can get started absolutely right now. What this allows you to do is create uh, pages like web pages, lead capture pages, collect emails, membership sites, everything you're going to need to have an online business. This $25 digital all in one business is going to give it to you. So what we're doing is we're promoting this, and with 1 to 2 sales every week, you can create over $100,000 yearly residual income in 12 months or less. Now, the link to this information is going to be below in the video. So we found a business that we wanted to promote. This one right here. It offers everything, it has everything, and it's very, very cheap to start. So not only that, it gives residual income. So when you're promoting something, you're looking for something that's going to have residual income, and this has it right here. You got the $25 level, and you have the $100 level and the $120 level, something like that. And you got websites, you got sales funnels, you got emails pre-written, product delivery, customer service, ads, ad copy. You got everything for $25. ClickFunnels is $200 or more, and you get everything that ClickFunnels has right here for $25. All right, so we got our business that we're wanting to promote. Now we just got to get leads to a product right here to promote this page or any of these pages. So what we're doing is we're using this company called My Lead Gen Secret. And what they do is for $1 a day, they give you 1 to 200 leads a day. So it starts you out with 100 leads that you can email to, and it has everything you're going to need to email somebody with your leads right here in your back office. So no need to go get an autoresponder or anything. You have this. Plus, when you come aboard my team, I'm going to give you email swipes. The email swipes that I use. Do they work? 15 days. And I'm already $80 recurring commission, and the only thing I'm doing is hitting send. Copy and pasting these emails right here. That's it, guys. $1 a day. So what we're doing is we're getting multiple accounts with My Lead Gen. I have 5 accounts. So what that does is when you refer somebody, and you can refer yourself, customer service already knows this. It's approved by the company. When you refer somebody, you get a bonus of 100 leads, which makes you get 200 leads a day. So I have 5 accounts at 200. So I'm mailing out to 1,000 people a day. And at the end of the month, that adds up. I'm mailing out to 30,000 people. And then next month, I'm mailing out 60,000. So you can see how it adds up. And it works. These leads are absolutely tier 1. They're cold traffic, though, but they're converting. Look at the clicks. 6,820 clicks. Total commissions 80. So I mean that should tell you that this program works. People like this program, and the leads that we use, my lead gen secret, they work too. And all you got to do, this is the best thing for a busy professional because you only have to spend 15 to 20 minutes a day. That's if you got a large number of accounts. Only start out with the number of accounts that you can hold on to, because if you can't hold on to them, you're going to lose them. And what I'm seeing is people are becoming profitable within 60 to 90 days. So if you can hold out 60 to 90 days with a few accounts or several accounts, you're going to be doing good. But you got to get to that level of a lot of emails, and that's going to take you about email leads, and they give it to you each day, but it's going to take you about 60 to 90 days to to where you're able to email out to a bunch of people each day. Not only this, people are having great success promoting uh, click what's it called,